Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we are diving into the world of data entry. This isn't just a simple work from home job, it's a gateway to a flexible and sustainable career. We will be covering the top 10 skills you need to truly succeed, transforming a basic job into a thriving career. And if you're new here, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more professional guides like this one. Let's get started. Let's talk about the absolute foundation of data entry, fast and accurate typing. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision. The quicker and more accurately you can type, the more valuable you are. Your goal should be at least 50 words per minute with very few errors. So, how do you get there? First, take a baseline test to see where you stand. Then, it's all about practice, daily practice, with online tools like typing.com or 10 fast fingers. Remember, focus on your accuracy first, and the speed will naturally follow. A good ergonomic setup will also help prevent fatigue. Master this skill, and you've already built a strong base for your career. Next up is a skill that can truly make or break your work: attention to detail. Think about it, even tiny errors in data can create huge problems down the line. Your ability to spot and prevent these mistakes is crucial for maintaining data integrity and reliability. Our goal here is simple: catch errors before they even happen. So, how do you sharpen this skill? Develop a rigorous, double-check habit for everything you do. Use checklists to ensure every field and task is perfectly complete. You can also practice with proofreading exercises to train your eye. Tools like Grammarly and Google Sheets, conditional formatting, can be incredibly helpful here. Now let's talk about the key to navigating your digital workspace: basic computer literacy. Being comfortable with your computer's operating system and how to manage files isn't just helpful, it's absolutely essential for working independently and efficiently in any remote role. Our goal here is for you to confidently navigate and manage your entire digital workspace. So, how do you build this? Start by becoming proficient in Windows or Mac OS navigation. Then, master basic file management, creating, renaming, moving, and organizing your files effectively. It's also smart to familiarize yourself with basic troubleshooting for common tech issues. Excellent free resources like gcfglobal.org and digitalearn.org are fantastic places to begin enhancing these foundational skills. Our next key skill is familiarity with spreadsheet tools. Spreadsheets are the lifeblood of data entry, so proficiency in programs like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets is non-negotiable. Your goal is to master the fundamentals of organizing, analyzing, and entering data. To do this, start by learning basic functions like sum, average, and if. Practice key tasks like formatting, sorting, and filtering data to build your confidence. There are many great online courses and practice exercises available through resources like Excel Easy and Google Sheets training that can help you become a pro. Moving beyond spreadsheets, our next skill is knowledge of CRM software. Many data entry jobs involve managing customer information, and knowing how to use customer relationship management tools can give you a significant advantage. Your goal is to understand how to input, update, and retrieve customer data within a CRM platform. To build this skill, sign up for free trials or demos from platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot. Explore their tutorials and documentation, and focus on the core tasks of data entry and updating records. Resources like Salesforce Trailhead and HubSpot Academy are designed specifically to help you master these systems. When you're working remotely, time management becomes incredibly important. You don't have a manager looking over your shoulder, so strong self-discipline is key to staying productive and meeting deadlines. Your goal here is to maintain focus, meet all your deadlines, and avoid burnout. How do you achieve this? Start by creating a daily work schedule and commit to sticking to it. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. You might also try productivity techniques like the Pomodoro method to help maintain focus. Tools like Toggle and PomoFocus can be excellent companions in developing these essential time management habits. Staying organized is the key to staying efficient. A well-organized workspace, both physical and digital, improves your workflow and significantly reduces errors. Your goal here is to keep your files, tasks, and entire workspace clutter-free and easy to navigate. To build this skill, start by organizing your digital files into a logical, clearly labeled folder structure. Use task management apps like Trello or Notion to track your assignments and progress. Finally, get in the habit of regularly reviewing and updating your to-do list. Staying tidy helps you stay on top of everything. Our next essential skill is clear communication. When you're working remotely, you don't have face-to-face interactions, so your ability to communicate effectively with clients and teammates is critical. Being responsive and professional builds trust and ensures smooth collaboration. Your goal is to communicate effectively and professionally through email, chat, and even video calls. To build this skill, practice writing clear, concise, and grammatically correct emails. Always use a polite and professional tone. Responding to messages promptly also shows you are engaged and reliable. Tools like Grammarly, Slack, and Microsoft Teams can help you streamline this process and ensure your message is always on point. The world of technology is always changing, and so is data entry. That's why our next skill is adaptability. Being able to quickly learn new tools and handle varied tasks is crucial for a long-term career. Your goal is to be flexible and open to new processes and technologies. How do you get there? Actively look for opportunities to learn new software. Don't shy away from varied assignments, see them as a chance to grow. Stay updated with industry trends and new software features. Platforms like Skillshare and LinkedIn Learning are excellent resources to help you stay ahead of the curve. Last but not least, let's talk about the engine of success in remote work, self-motivation and discipline. When you're working from home, there's no manager looking over your shoulder. You are your own accountability partner. Your goal is to stay focused, productive, and consistent on your own. So, how do you do it? Start by setting clear daily and weekly goals for yourself. Create a dedicated, distraction-free workspace that signals it's time to work. And, most importantly, celebrate your small wins to stay motivated. Tools like Habitica and Todoist can help you gamify your goals and track your progress, keeping you on the path to success. That brings us to the end of our guide. We've covered the top 10 skills essential for a successful and sustainable career in remote data entry. Now it's your turn. Take a moment to assess yourself. Which of these skills do you have and which do you need to develop? Use the recommended tools to start practicing and building your expertise. With a clear plan and the right discipline, you can take control of your career and start building your virtual success today. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more professional tips and resources. Thanks for watching.